Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can change the music language in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in. And the reality is that there is no specific place where you can change the language as far as the settings go, but you can choose whatever language you want depending on the prompt. So if we just head over here, and here we have our song. We can do the simple or we could do the custom. So let's say I wanted to do a love song in Spanish. Then all I would have to do is just type that in there and then come down here to the bottom and just click on create, and it will automatically create a song in Spanish. Now, if we want to use the custom, we can write lyrics by line or full song. So auto or write lyrics. Let's go ahead and go with full song. And here we could say a love song in Spanish. And we could just click here, write lyrics. And there we go. We already have our lyrics in the desired language. Now let's try something a little bit more challenging here. Let's try a love song in Chinese. Click write lyrics. And there you go. We have now our love song in Chinese. Let's try something else. Let's try Punjabi. Click right there. And there you go. We now have our love song in Punjabi. So you could basically just put in whatever you want here. Now, then from there, what you can do is, let's say it's always going to give you two options. So we can look at either of these one, and whichever one we want, we can go ahead and click that there, and then boom. There, our lyrics are lined up and ready to go, and we now have our love song in Punjabi. If we want to add some style tags, like if we just put in here Punjabi, then we're going to get that style. We go down a little bit further. You can see here where it says style influence. If you want, you can turn that up, and that's going to really make sure that the song is as close to the style as possible. And then once you're ready to go, all you have to do is hit create, and let's go ahead and give it a try. So there we go. You could see Suno is always going to give us two options. Let's go ahead and hit play. So there you are. We have now created our song. So that's all there is to it. All you have to do is make sure that you come to the right lyrics section, or if you want to just do it something simple, you can just put a simple prompt here in the simple option. But if you want to get a little bit more granular with it, then you can come over here to custom, make sure that's set to write lyrics by song or by line or full song, click full song, and then there you go. Just put in here what it is that you're looking for, and Suno is going to generate that for you. Now, another thing you can do is you can always, if you have your own lyrics and they happen to be in whatever language, then you could just copy and paste those in here. So if you want Suno's help with writing a song, you can do that. But if you just want to enter in your own lyrics, it doesn't matter what language it is, just pop it in here into the lyrics section and make sure you select your style, and then hit create there at the bottom, and that will generate your song. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 in your account to start, and if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial, highly recommended.